Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to look how to see Snapchat favorites. Well, it is a very simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your Snapchat on your phone. And after opening your Snapchat, what you're gonna do is tap on the photo icon that you can see right here. Now, after tapping on the photos icon here, you can see these are the memories that you have saved on your Snapchat. And in order to see your favorites, what you're going to do is tap on this stories option that you can see right in here. And after doing so here, you can see the album of the favorites that you have put on, and simply tap on it in order to see it. And you can see these are the memories that you had put on favorites. And like this, you can see Snapchat favorites. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.